Hello friends, welcome to our next lecture of GSM Mobile Originating Call series. In last lecture we have gone through the process of paging. We studied how network pages a subscriber on the 2G network and how a response is received from the access network. We have gone through the information elements of both the messages and we have seen how a number is located on the 2G network. In this lecture, we will be covering the subsequent messages and we will try to cover the complete mock series in this lecture. So in this lecture, we will be covering the setup message, the call confirmed message, alerting message, and the connect messages. And we will also be looking into the responses as well. So let's start. First, let's have a look at the setup message. The setup message is basically a message that is used in both mobile originating call and mobile terminating call. So right now we have reached the actually the call party side, and in the earlier lectures we have seen when the setup message was received from the calling party. So in this case, we will be studying the setup message that is being sent from the network side to the call party. So what this message is for basically? This message basically has two important information elements in it. These information elements are basically the GSM bearer capability and the call party BCD number. The bearer capability basically enables both the network side and the access network to exchange their capabilities in terms of codecs so that they can reach upon a consensus which codec is to be used. Codec negotiation is basically a very important part during a call setup, and we will dedicate a complete lecture for the complete end-to-end codec negotiation. The other information element that is basically part of this message is the call party BCD number. Basically, the call party is informed from the network side that which calling party is basically trying to reach the call party. So this information is basically the number based on which the call party is being intimated. So now we have gone through the setup message, and now we will be focusing on the call confirmed message. So what is the purpose of the call confirmed message? The call confirmed message is basically received from the called mobile station or UE, and it is being sent to the network site. And this message is basically a confirmation to the network that the called mobile station has basically received the setup message, and it is basically processing the necessary arrangements at its end. So once the call confirmed message is received by the network, then subsequent to this, let's have a look at the uh, call flow again. So once the call confirmed message is received by the network, then the alerting process is takes place at both the call party side and the calling party side. In this case, basically the call party side sends a alerting message to the network, which basically indicates that the call party now has been alerted. Alerted means that a ring is being played on the call party side, and the network basically sends this message transparently to the calling side as well, so that both parties can be aware of the information that both called and called party sides are now in the phase of the alert. That is, the ring back can be heard at the calling side, and the called party is being alerted through some ring back tone. So in the alert message, basically you can see the progress indicator. The progress indicator indicates an inbound information which indicates that a pattern or ring back is being established from end to end. So once the alert process takes place, then it's up to the called party that the called party attends the call. and once the called party attends the call, a connect message means basically an answer message that is being sent by the called mobile station to the network, which indicates that the call has been accepted by the called party. uh, in this case, you can see there are different information elements, but the important information element is the connected number, which indicates that the called party has been connected and has accepted the call. This message is transparently transferred to the calling party to indicate that the called party has answered the call. So in this case, an end-to-end call is established.